So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send location on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started. First head over to your WhatsApp application. Let's say I want to send my live location to this person right here, and as you can see, if you are on Android, then you can see this link attached button. You can simply click on this and to get the location button option here right there. And if you are using iPhone, you can simply probably get the plus button over here, and you can simply get that option from there. So as it is Android, I will just simply click on this and you can see the location option here. And when you click on it, you can simply either share your live location or send your current location. As you can see, I will just share my live location here and click on continue. And you can also determine for how long you want to share your live location, for 1 hour, for 15 minutes, like this. And you can add a comment like this and just send it like this. And that's it guys, that's exactly how you can share your live location or current location on WhatsApp. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.